So how to buy VNTR VentureMind AI token. Now this is the X account. Now they have a lot of audience, you can check it. Now if you go to their website, this is the website. Now it's available in Radium, this token. Now just click on connect wallet to be able to buy it. Now select the wallet that you use. For me I will select Phantom. Now for a while, as you can see, the Phantom wallet is connected. Now go to Phantom wallet on your browser. Now click on swap, and as you can see, if you have enough Solana you can select it. Now from here select the VNTR token. Now as you can see, this is it. Now click on it, and now you can buy it how much you want to buy. Now after that, as you can see, this is the providers. Now from here, this is the information of the price. Now after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy the token. So what is VentureMind AI? So VentureMind AI is a decentralized application platform built on the Solana blockchain, designed to provide AI tools, robotic and Web3 integration in a single ecosystem. The platform offers user access to functionalities like predictive analytics, smart contract auditing, and autonomous agent creation. So this is how to buy the VentureMind AI token. Thanks for watching.